Self-myofascial release of the quads. Starting by laying in a prone position with one thigh on your foam roller. Draw the opposite leg up by your side. Put both elbows down and put most of your pressure into the leg that you're rolling. You can roll from just above your knee all the way up to the top of your hip bone, anywhere along this line. You will find places either towards the top inside of your leg or the bottom outside of your leg or bottom inside of your knee for the most part. Those are common places where you feel discomfort. So roll in a long sweeping line up and down the midline of your leg. You can externally rotate or internally rotate the leg and hit toward the inside of your inside of your thigh. Holy shit. Or outside of your thigh. Jesus. And just continue scanning for the full duration. All the way up, all the way down, just like that. And remember, hang out when you find a spot that is very uncomfortable for 30 to 60 seconds. Try to relax the muscle over the foam roller. Let your leg just meld into the foam roller.